Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about Supplemental Type Certificate SA809NW. It's called the Flush Lower Cowling STC. It's put out by Maynard Crosby, and let's talk a little bit about what it does for your airplane. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, just as a quick reminder, a supplemental type certificate is a modification to the original type certificate the airplane came with off the factory floor. And in this particular case, it's called the Flush Lower Cowling because on the two-place airplanes and the Travelers, you have a gap at the bottom between the middle of the firewall and the lower part of the cowling, and that's where the air escapes. Well, in this case, it was sold as a speed mod, meaning, hey, if we do this, we can make your airplane go faster. Because after all, the AA1C, which was a two-place, only went so fast. And look, the Traveler Cheetah was 5 knots faster, all because of the cowling. Well, it's a lot of work. It does make your airplane look a little bit more modern. And if you have to replace the exit ramps, as this person was doing anyway, they were putting the exit ramps in, not replacing them. So this was a new installation. And again, it's the STC from Maynard Crosby. Maynard holds a lot of STCs from us. Maynard, if you see this video, please get in touch with me. We've got people trying to get a hold of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's your lower cowl flush cowling STC that you can do on your airplane. It does dress it up a bit. It is a lot of work. It's not for everyone. Your normal two-place airplanes and your Travelers have adequate lower cowling cooling. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Here are the pictures from a customer's airplane out in California doing the mod, and you saw the paperwork from Maynard. So again, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So you've met Freckles, our cat supervisor, but here are the new cats destroying the Avery Island Tabasco pepper that sits by her back door. So I thought you'd enjoy watching them destroy something that doesn't belong to you.